still have...
John, are you ready?
It doesn't go off as soon as it's lit.
Wow.
Sierra was scared of a fountain. Oh!
There's more.
It goes all the way around.
Yeah, as you can tell, it's going to be a little bit more of a...
Is that right, Joel?
That's right. I'm going to start jumping through it.
Oh, man. Let's freak Mom out. You ready?
Go jump through it. If I had tennis shoes on.
Yeah. Ooh, and we got leg hair now, too.
Yeah. That's cool, huh, Jonah?
Yeah, that wouldn't be a good example for him.
Yeah.
Smell like the smell of burnt hair.
Right. Wake you up in the morning. Right now we're at 1:25. Yeah! Get behind Daddy.
I like that.
There's a long way to go around here. See all the ones that haven't gone yet.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Woohoo!
Well, it's not what...
Now, you could have done this while you were eating dinner or something. Just let have some little dinner.
Dinner festivities.
Yeah.
Is Jonah run back over there?
Shoot, we'll just buy 4 of those next year and set them off.
All at once?
Yeah. That'd be some bright light there.
Yeah.
Camera can't throw that in the bag.
There we go.
We're not even to the grand finale yet.
Well, there's some sparklers if you guys want to do some sparklers over there.
Ooh, close.
Wait.
Ooh.
The poo? We're all sitting back casual, and then it turns over towards us.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Rattle on the eardrum.
Yeah.
That boy gets that.
Nice. Woo!